For this project, I used a pair of, I don't know if this is cheetah or leopard print, but an animal print Old Navy flip-flop. These were on sale, buy one, get one half off, which is why I selected them. Super cute and perfect for vacation. And then to decorate the flip-flops, I selected these Swarovski crystals. Normally, as I've stated many times, I prefer to buy my Swarovski crystals in bulk. But as you can see, the colors like perfectly match with the flip-flops. And I kind of wanted to do this quickly, so I just thought I'd snatch them up. And they matched just so well that it was worth it. Oh, and these were on sale. Buy one pack, get the second 50% off, just like the flip-flops. So I got another pair as well. I'm sorry, another pack of crystals. So I just wanted to give you another quick look at the crystals because they're so pretty, and to point something out on the packaging. So when you're purchasing Swarovski crystals, just note that if you see an iron symbol on the bottom, that means that these are hot fix crystals, which means that you need a tool to attach them to like fabric. I have not ever tried to glue hot fix crystals, but I'm assuming that you probably could. But just know that these are hot fix, and the way that you can tell is through the iron symbol at the bottom of the package. So I was looking at the crystals and I didn't know if I wanted the flip-flops to look exactly the same or to be the opposite, but I think I want them to be the opposite. So as you can see, on this flip-flop, the darker crystal is first, and on this flip-flop, the lighter crystal is first. Also, if you're watching, I want to let you know that this is going to be my first giveaway. So the instructions on the giveaway will be underneath this video. If you don't see any instructions, that means that the giveaway period time has passed, but hopefully you'll be able to watch this and get in on it. And whoever wins, I'll be shipping these to you. So I'm going to get started with the decoration. So this is the design that I've decided on as far as how I'm going to decorate the flip-flop. I just kind of laid out my design because I wanted to make sure I had enough crystals to go on each flip-flop, which I do. I've also decided to forego using the hot fix tool and just glue these on with E6000. So I'm going to try that. So whoever ends up with these, I'm not sure how long the crystals will stay on, but at least they'll be really pretty when they arrive at your house. So I'm going to get started.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
As a reminder, this is what the flip-flops looked like before. And this is the final result. So cute. But you know what I was thinking? I probably could have added some black Swarovski crystals. That probably would have even set it off even more. So I may revisit this design with black ones, including the colors that I already have, because I have some crystals left. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you make this, but if you don't, you have an opportunity to have your own pair handmade by me. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.